Deputy Commissioner Karibhoi District Arpit Upadhyaya ulathung yakajing tokit Magister kabantokit yakajing ujor bajur kajingtih be-ain yakilum hakithain Byrnihat-Khanapara. Habakran chikat pasai khubor negasiningkong Deputy Commissioner uliathu baka office kalayo opriang yakajing ujor nakibabun balang halor kajing dan kikam ti khendo patpen madan yakilum hakathain Byrnihat-Khanapara. Ulang makini ki kampin jula de kamariang kili ki bale klem do yo jingbet na ki bo district berkumta ulathung yo Magister bade koi ka committee kabantokit. Haka joko poro pente bola batharu iki office u divisional forest officer ka territorial forest bon IT ka khaipot halor kani ka jingti pin madani kilum hakathan.
We have received a complaint that because of earth cutting there has been a deterioration in the air quality also. Earlier also we have received these complaints, and whenever we have received earlier also, in that case inspection has been done and matter has been forwarded to DFO territorial to take necessary action, and certain action has been taken from the DFO side also. After that there was one committee from KHATC also. They have also visited the locations and taken necessary actions. And last week also we have received one more complaint that similar kind of earth cutting is going on, because of which there is a deterioration of air quality. So for that magistrate has been deployed, and action will be taken on that accordingly.